something like that because it's super fun. So assuming you can do this, which is the counterclockwise, and you can really pretty comfortably do this, like say 10 times. And then assuming you can go this way, which is the clockwise, and again, pretty comfortably repeat it and maybe do it 10 times. What we're gonna start by doing is, let's say we're overhand on the right. We'll do the low part of the turn from this one, which is the clockwise one. So we'll sweep low. Then we'll do a left turn. Step your right foot forward because you're in that T stance, and then sweep over away from me, away from the camera. So I'm gonna go away from the screen toward the camera, up over the top, and come out and overhand. So if I showed you the whole thing, my right foot is forward, I sweep back, step right, come up over the top, and come down and back and overhand. So it's a low sweep connected to the high sweep from the counterclockwise chasing the sun, which is this one. So if I just reoriented the whole thing but still did a left turn, and I started an overhand here, and I do a low sweep here, and I step, and I do the high sweep here, and I put that together, it'd be sweep, step, and sweep, step, step. Okay, you did this where you sweep, step, sweep over the top, and then you step back, which is fine, but it's just slightly different. And that would be used for a traversing turn. So what I did was a static turn where basically I could go, an infinite number of turns here. I'm planting on my left foot as I do this left turn, and I can stay in the same place. What you did was where you traverse the space as you're turning left and you move backwards. So you alternate the foot that steps, which is, and I'll demonstrate it here. I'm gonna sweep, step right, sweep, step left, sweep, step right, sweep, step left, sweep, step right. The first one, I'm planting on the left foot. The second one, I'm alternating the feet, but I'm still turning left every single time. It's the same basic technique from the perspective of what the poi does. The difference is how you orient the feet during the turns themselves. I feel like when you do too many turns one way, what ends up happening is you end up getting dizzy. So I want to teach you the switchback. The switchback entails doing a 360 one way, so that was the left 360, followed by a 360 the other way, which at speed would look something like this. And then that way you don't get dizzy because the cochlea fluid is balanced in your ear because you're turning it one way and then the other way. So let's do the right turn now. For that one, if we start an overhand facing this way, your left foot is forward. And if we're doing it as a static turn, you would plant, I prefer the outside turn. Some people prefer the inside turn, which for the outside turn, that means I'm turning on the right leg and the right leg stays planted. So I pivot, step left, pivot, step left. And then again, you're in overhand here, you sweep back low, you turn, you step left, and then you're gonna sweep over the top using the clockwise portion of the sweep over and come back to where you started and step again. So if we do the right turn at speed, it would be 5, 6, 7, and low sweep, step, and high sweep, step. I'll count off 5, 6, 7, 8, we'll go right, and then I'll cue you with your feet, and then we'll go left. So we're gonna 5, 6, 7, turn right, sweep low, step, sweep over, don't step. Now, that means your right foot is forward, which means you're positioned right now to turn to the left. And now we'll turn left, so we'll go 5, 6, 7, sweep low, step right, sweep over, and you're back to where you started. Now, you will notice I'm back in overhand, but the net effect of what I did was just slightly move across my stage to the stage right side. If you continue doing that over time, I'll show you what it would look like. So this is a right, a step, then a left turn and a step, and then a right turn and a step, and a left turn and a step. So over time, you will move backwards. In theory, if you did what I said, you're here like this, your left foot is forward, 5, 6, 7, and sweep low, step left, sweep high, your right foot should come out in front, which sets you up to turn to the left. And then we'll do the left turn now, the 360. So we're overhand, right foot is forward, 5, 6, 7, and sweep low, step right, come over the top, and now you're back where you were, except your left foot is forward. You may need to adjust after 2 turns and walk back to where you are now. Wherever you need to adjust, just walk back and get in place. While I'm saying 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so left foot's forward. We're going to do the right turn first. 5, 6, 7, 8. Sweep low, step left, come over the top. Now your right foot is forward. 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn left, sweep low, come up over the top, step your right foot, and then your left should now be in front. So that was 1 pair, or 2 turns, or 2 360s, or 4 180s, depending on how you look at it. Now we'll do the second pair. And 5, 6, 7, and right turn low, step left, come up over the top. Now your right foot's in front, and 5, 6, 7, and sweep low, left turn, right step, come up over the top, and now you're back where you were. Readjust, move forward if you need to. 5, 6, 7, and right turn, step left, up over the top, and 5, 6, 7, and left turn, and sweep low, step right, come up over the top, and 5, 6, left is in front, 7, 8, sweep low, step left, come up over the top, right's in front, 5, 6, 7, and turn left, come up over the top, and 5, 6, 7, and right turn, up over the top, and right's in front, 5, 6, 7, and sweep low, step right, up over the top, move yourself forward, and 5, 6, 7, and sweep low to the right, step left, come up over the top, and right's in front, 5, 6, 7, and sweep low, turn left, step right, come up over the top, and 5, 6, left's in front, 8, and sweep low, step left, come up over the top, right's in front, 5, 6, 7, and sweep low, left turn, come up over the top, and you're back and overhand, adjust again, and we'll do 2 more pairs, left's in front, only this time, let's just count off 2, so I'll count 7, 8, and we'll go 7, 8, sweep right, up over the top, right's in front, 7, 8, sweep low, come up over the top, and left's in front, and 7, 8, sweep low, come up over the top, and right's in front, and sweep low, 7, 8, sweep low, step right, come up over the top. Now, let's try doing it where we actually do the switch back. I'll count 5, 6, 7, 8, and then I'll do this. 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll do the right turn, come up over the top, and then immediately go into the left turn, and then come back to where we started. So, left foot's forward, you moved up in your room, 5, 6, 7, 8, low sweep right, high sweep right, and then low sweep left, high sweep left, and back where you started, 5, 6, 7, 8, low sweep right, and up over the top, and low sweep left, and up over the top, and back where you started, 6, 7, 8, right low, right high, left low, left high, 5, 6, 7, and right low, step, right high, left low, step, left high, and down. You always turn in the direction of the back foot. So if your left foot is forward, that means your right foot is back, which means you're going to turn to the right. And the reason when you turn, if you turn, step, and turn, your right foot ends up in front, and you'll notice your hip is already turned out to the left, which sets you up beautifully to do the left turn, which is why I say we're always turning in the direction of the back foot. Well, that's not why I say it, but it's how it works out. You're here, underhand. Your left foot is forward. You have to go over the top and then immediately sweep low and step back. When you sweep over the top to the right, it's almost like you're here doing this, the clockwise chasing the sun. I mean, that's exactly what we're doing, right? We're going from the clockwise chasing the sun to the counterclockwise chasing the sun. That is what's happening.